Hello everyone, we are the Group 3 and we are here to talk about the importance of flexibility in preventing injuries. And this is the learning objectives of our presentation. And now we will talk about what is flexibility and its definitions.
Range of motion. Flexibility is ability of your joints to move freely and comfortably through their full range of motion, which means flexibility refers to how far your joints can move. A good range of motion means your joints can move fully and comfortably, like bending your elbow or reaching for something high. This is crucial for everyday activities. Next, muscles and tissues. It is it is it involves the extensibility of your muscles and connective tissues like ligaments and tendons to allow for these movements, which means flexibility isn't just about your joints. Your muscles and the connective tissue surrounding them like ligaments and tendons needs to stretch and give way to allow for movement. Tight muscles restrict movement and reduce flexibility. Next one, pain-free movement. True flexibility means achieving this range of motion without pain or restriction, which means being flexible should not hurt. True flexibility means you can move through a full range of motion without any pain or discomfort. Pain, pain indicates a potential injury or limitation that needs attention. Next, essential for health. Good flexibility is important for overall health, injury prevention, and performing daily activities with ease, which means good flexibility is a vital for overall well-being. It helps prevent injuries by allowing your body to adapt to stress. It also makes daily tasks like bending and lifting easier and more comfortable. And the last one, improve performance. It can also enhance athletic performance and postures, which means flexibility can boost athletic performance. It allows for greater range of motion, power, and efficiency in movements. It also contributes to better posture by allowing your body to align correctly.
After we talk about the definition of flexibility, we will now talk about the two types of flexibility. As you can see, there are two types of flexibility. The first one is the static flexibility and the second one is the dynamic flexibility. The static flexibility refers to the capacity of a person to maintain a stretch for a long period of time. In order to do this, you need to take a muscle to its end range and hold it there. This lengthens the muscle and enhances its range of motion. One of the examples of static flexibility is maintaining a hamstring stretch, reaching for your toes when you are resting or standing. The benefits of static flexibility is that it enhances your range of motion, decrease the muscle soreness, and increase the relaxation of your body. And now, let's go to the dynamic flexibility. The dynamic flexibility is stretching with movements. It's to the extent where you can move your joint and how freely you can move it. In order to do it, you need to take a joint through its complete range of motion in a controlled fashion. This conditions your muscle for you to use and to be ready for a physical activity. And are the example of the stretching that involves dynamic flexibility. These are the arm circles, leg swings, torso twists, and high knees. And the benefit of the dynamic flexibility is that it conditions muscle for use to enhance coordination, improve performance in sport, or any other physical activities. And now, let's talk about why flexibility is important.
Flexibility is crucial for overall health and well-being, and most importantly, it plays an important role in preventing injuries. Kapag ang muscles and joints natin are flexible, they are better equipped to handle the physical demands of movement, whether during exercise, sports, or daily tasks. Flexibility allows our body to move more freely and efficiently, reducing the strain placed on muscles and connective tissues. Without adequate flexibility, nagiging tight and restricted yung muscles natin na nagiging cause to limit our range of motion and increasing the risk of strains, sprains, or other injuries caused by sudden movements or overexertion. In addition to injury prevention, flexibility supports the body's ability to adapt to different physical challenges. For example, kapag nagpe-perform tayo ng dynamic movements such as jumping, running, or twisting, flexible Flexible muscles are more likely to stretch and absorb the impact without tearing. This is especially important sa mga athletes or individuals who engage in high-impact activities. Even sa everyday life natin, yung simple task like bending down to tie our shoes or reaching up for something on a high shelf, pwede siya mag-lead to discomfort or injury if our muscles are stiff and inflexible.
These are the examples of the sports that need flexibility.
Gymnastics, athletics perform splits, backbends, and other movements that require extreme flexibility. Next is figure skating. Skaters perform jumps, spins, and spirals that need flexibility. Diving. Divers must bend and twist their bodies in mid-air. Martial arts. Martial arts. Taekwondo, karate. High kick and quick movements need flexible muscles. Next is dance. Dance, contemporary hip-hop. Many dance moves require a full range of motion. Next is yoga. Although not a sport, competitive yoga and similar disciplines emphasize the flexibility.
Rhythmic gymnastics. This is a unique sport that combines elements of ballet, gymnastics, dance, and apparatus manipulation. It involves individual or team performance using tools such as ribbons, hoops, balls, clubs, and ropes. Athletes perform routines set to music showcasing their flexibility, coordination, and artistry. Wrestling. Wrestling is a combat sport that involves grappling techniques where two competitors attempt to gain control over one another. It can be practiced in various styles including freestyle, Greco-Roman, and folk styles. The objective is to pin the opponent to the mat or score points through takedown, reversals, and escapes. Swimming. Swimming is an individual or team sport that involves moving through water using various strokes. Competition can take place in pool or open water. The main competitive stroke include freestyle backstroke, three-stroke, and butterfly. Swimming emphasizes speed, endurance, and techniques. Tennis. Tennis is a racket sport played individually or in pairs on a rectangular court divided by a net. Players hit a pearl cover rubber ball back and forth, aiming to score points by landing the ball in the opponent's court area. Matches can be played on grass, clay, or hard surfaces, and they require agility, strategy, and precision.
Of flexibility for injury prevention. So being flexible plays a crucial role in keeping the body safe from injuries by improving muscle function, joint mobility, and overall movement efficiency. So here are the key benefits of flexibility for injury prevention. First is it reduces muscle tension. So being flexible means muscles are less stiff and tight. So when muscles are flexible, they can stretch and contract more efficiently, reducing the risk of strains and tears. So a flexible body can better absorb impact, preventing injuries caused by sudden movements or excessive force. Next one is it improves joint mobility. So having flexible joints allow for a greater range of motion, enabling smoother and more controlled movement. This helps prevent stress on ligaments and tendons, reducing the risk of sprains, dislocation, and joint-related injuries. Greater flexibility ensures that movement are not restricted, lowering the chances of injury from overexertion.
Third, movement and physical well-being. So this allows greater freedom of movement and improves posture. This is an activity that enhances our flexibility and strengthens our muscles. This could lead to a wider range of motion, making everybody task easier and more comfortable. So nakakatulong ito para ma-improve yung posture natin, not only looks but also reduce strain on the spine and joints. Mape-prevent din nito yung long-term problems like back pain and arthritis. Next, releases muscle tension and soreness. So these activities incorporates elements of stretching or gentle movement. This is important for relieving our stress and also ma-build up yung muscle natin from daily activities or prolonged periods of inactivity. Mare-reduce din nito yung muscle tension that contributes to better sleep, ma-improve niya yung energy levels, and also decrease risk of developing chronic pain conditions. Next, reduces the risk of injuries. So this is a significant benefit. It improves our flexibility, strength, and balance, all fostered by this activity, contribute to a lower risk of falls and other injuries. Napaka-importante nito as we age and our bodies become more susceptible to injury. Nakaka-prevent siya na injuries, also reduces healthcare costs, and allows for continued participation in other activities. Fourth, relaxation and stress reduction. So, na-increase natin physical and mental relaxation natin. In our increasingly stressful world, so naghahanap tayo ng ways to relax our both physically and mental health. So, this activity appears to provide a pathway to this relaxation. Potentially, through mindful movement, deep breathing, or other techniques that calm our nervous system. So, the reduction in stress can have a cascading effect on our overall health. Na-improve niya yung sleep quality natin, nakakatulong dito ma-boost yung immune system natin, and also reducing the risk of chronic disease associated with stress, such as heart disease and high blood pressure. So, bukod dun, meron pa tayong additional potential benefits, such as improved cardiovascular health, increased strength and endurance, weight management. It also improves moods and cognitive function, enhance our social interaction, and also improve our sleep quality. That's all. Next reporter po.
Good day everyone. I am Michunang. I will explain the flexibility is the key to injury prevention. And this report explores how improved flexibility reduces the risk of common injuries like strains, sprains, and tears. Remember, stretching incorrectly can actually do more harm than good. Freer movement is equal to less stress on muscles and joints. Flexible hamstrings prevent tears during sprints because good posture prevents strains, pulled muscles, sprains, twisted ankles, and back pain. Think about your body like a machine. It needs to more freely to function efficiently and avoid problems. Imagine you're rushing to class and trip over a crack in the sidewalk. If your muscles and joints are stiff, you're more likely to twist your ankle or pull a muscle. That's why free movement is important. It helps prevent injuries. And don't forget about hamstrings. They're like strong ropes that need to be flexible to handle powerful movements like sprinting. Tight hamstrings are more likely to tear, so make sure we stretch regularly. And good posture is like giving your back a break. Standing tall with your spine aligned helps distribute weight evenly, reducing strain on back muscles and preventing pain, especially if you're carrying heavy things or sitting for a long period.
It helps because flexibility, balance, and alignment is absolutely core for maintaining a healthy body. For exercising, this provides your joint and muscles with structural integrity and foundation. You'll be preventing injuries and challenging your body to become stronger and more fit will be more natural. Moreover, being familiar with the muscles in your body and how they work together is one of the most important pieces of maintaining a healthy body, because stretching regularly is key to gaining this understanding. In addition, doing some sort of stretching routine to improve flexibility that helps maintain proper balance. It also prevents you from getting injuries in some cases, like injuries prevented by flexibility training includes muscle strains, joint strains, such as ankle sprain and wrist sprain, and lower back pain.
And now, we will show you a video that is showing someone who is doing stretching.
As you all watch the example video, and I will explain to you in some ways how stretching and being flexible can help to prevent injuries. And based to all we know, stretching and flexibility training can improve blood flow to muscles and joints, promoting faster recovery and reducing the risk of injury. And these flexibility exercises helps to alleviate muscle tightness and tension that can prevent overuse injuries and muscle imbalances. And also, flexible muscles and joints allow for a greater range of motion, which means your body can move freely and efficiently, reducing the risk of strains and sprains. As we do the stretching, we do stretch in all of our parts of the body, from head to toe. As we stretch various parts of our body, each stretch serves a different main purpose or what it can help our body. One of the stretching that the girl did in the video was the tricep stretch, where stretching the triceps improves the flexibility and strength of the muscles at the back of the upper arm. Flexible triceps are less likely to suffer from muscle strains or tears during physical activities like lifting weights or exercising. It helps to prepare the muscles for heavy lifting. The same goes to quad stretch, standing long stretch, etc. and etc. It can help prevent for our various activities such as in running, jogging, and to some physical sports. Before we do the physical sports, we know that we do warm up first or stretching first before we do the thing. And that's all. Thank you.
And this is where our video presentation ends. Thank you for listening everyone and have a good day.